welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a video that no one has asked for, but I'm gonna do it anyways, and it's what's in my backpack video. So just a little info I'm gonna tell you guys is that I am going into my senior year of college. I don't look like a person who goes to college, I'm probably still in high school, but I mean, I look young, so it's fine. So yeah, so today we're gonna do a what's in my backpack video. So this is my backpack, and it's a Konkin backpack. So what's in front of you is obviously my pin. So I have my little chimney pin on here, and then I also have my little ice cream sandwich from the ice cream museum when I went in San Francisco. And then I also have my EXO pin, my BT21 pin, and my Little Mermaid pin. So those are the pins in front. And then in front I also have this little Harry Potter, I don't know the material of this. I'm a DIYer. I should know what this is. Yeah, I have my little Hogwarts little thingy that I just hang on to the front of my backpack just cause, you know. And on the side where the water bottle is supposed to be, I decided to put my little GD Act 3 Mo clip. I have this little clip because I went to his concert and I had the bronze ticket. I had the bronze ticket. Yeah, and I just clipped it onto my backpack. And then we have on the other side of the water bottle pocket. I don't keep my water bottles in here, which I should, but I don't. So I had this little curvy pin. This little curvy pin my sister got me at Fanime. I think it's an anime convention, and she got this for me. So yeah, thank you. That's my backpack visual. All right, so in the front pocket. And I'm sorry if like I'm really close up to you guys. It's because the more farther I go back, the less focus it goes. I need to fix that on my camera. So in my front pocket, I have my keys. So my keys are like, there's more keychains than there is keys on here. And then I also have my car key, my house key, and my bike key. We keep all that in the front pocket because I know it's not ideal to have it in the front pocket because someone could like easily open it and like grab it. You know, I'm very vigilant. I'm very like, if someone touches me, I don't know what I'm gonna do. No, I need to like quickly grab it because those are like the main essentials that I need to like grab when I'm on the go. So yeah. Going on to the main pocket. So this is the big boy. I'm not a huge fan of binders. I think binders are a little too bulky, at least for my personal taste. I'm more of like a folder type of person, so I have this little folder right here. It's so cute. I just love it. It's so quirky. It's so cute. I love it, man, because I'm a bean myself. I am small. Guys, I'm small. You know, this might sound weird to you guys. I don't know. Is this weird? I carry like a bunch of different types of papers with me. Is that weird? I don't know so many types of paper that I like to use and like to use for different occasions. So I would have like a folder full of just notebook paper, and I don't know. That's just kind of like what I do. So like, and I just keep all my papers in here. I know it's not the most organized thing, but it helps me. Some professors like to use online sources. Put the homework up online, and like the only thing that you have to do in class is like take notes and do the tests. You don't really like, they don't really hand out papers unless they want you to, you know. So I mean, I don't really carry that much papers anyways. So that's that. This is my composition book that I have. I quickly made this, not a big deal. I thought it was really funny. So what I like to do in class is that I would have just one notebook for all of my classes and write like bananas. Bananas, but it's water. I would write as much as I can and write down all my ideas on just one single notebook for every single class. And then what I would like to do is that I would transfer those notes to my other notebooks to make them more prettier, more neater. I can add post-it notes, I can highlight, I can write whatever I want on these notebooks. I don't know if many of you guys know, I am studying psychology. So I have 4 notebooks for each class. And then most importantly is my planner. Now I don't really like this planner because I bought this like I think a year or 2 ago, but I didn't really like it just because it's too bulky, as you can tell. I would like write all my events and stuff, everything, just because I get really busy during college. Once the school year starts, I'm busy, like I'm on it. Like even on the first day of school, like I'm already like booked. I'm booked for everything. So why am I so mad? Like, I need to know when everything is planned, so I need my planner. I have my little pencil case right here. This pencil case is from Muji. I love Muji. Muji's my ish. So I have my little Piley G2 0.38 millimeter pen. I love this pen to death. It's like my baby. And then I also have my 0.5 millimeter Muji pen. I really like the Muji pens too, so I have that. For me, I like to carry the Muji colored pens, just in case if I want to like make my notes neater on those other notebooks. I have my colored pens right here, and they're all in 0.5 millimeter as well. And then I also have my liner pens. I have all of the colors as well as the Muji ones. The thing is that my voice just cracked. The thing is that I only carry like the dominant 5 colors that I'm gonna use. So these are the dominant 5 colors, so there they are. And then I also have my Muji transparent mechanical pencil. This one's great. I love this one. And yeah, that's all in my pencil case. So, and then I also have this is my little donut coin purse. I don't use this as a coin purse. I use it as like little minuscule items that I need. If I am gonna have to use a pencil, my erasers on my mechanical pencils won't last forever. So I would have like little cute donut erasers that I have. And then I also have my little post-its. I love posting post-its everywhere. Sakura notepad that I have here. I also have a today's to-do list notepad. I also have an egg notepad that I thought was really cute, and also a toast bread notepad. Very, very cute. Last but not least, I have things that a girl needs. The first thing in here I have is tissues, and then I also have some sanitizer. Sometimes the hand sanitizer would dry out my hands, so I would have to use some lotion. So this is my favorite lotions from Bath & Body Works. So I would have like, you know, some essentials that I need to do for when that day comes. So since I am a dancer, sometimes I'd be looking glam at school, but then I have to go and choreograph or do a dance routine, and I don't want to dance in my makeup because I sweat, and then it just doesn't, it's not a good mix. So I have some makeup wipes just in case if like I really need to I need to take off my makeup and I have to dance, so there is that. And I also have some little hair ties, elastic bands, and bobby pins just in case if like I'm getting lazy and I have to put my hair up, or I have to go dance and I have to put my hair up. And then last but not least, I need my water bottle. My water bottle is like everything to me. Like I need to have my water bottle with me at all times. Like this is like what I need. If I am gonna bike to school, then that means I need my water bottle. If I'm gonna dance at school, I need my water bottle. And if I am ever thirsty, I'm gonna have to have a reusable water bottle. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know down below like what's your #1 essential that you need to have for school. Like let me know. Just let me know. So yeah, that is what's in my backpack. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!